When a business leader is skeptical, I usually show them industry after industry where the industry leader who's growing faster, making more money, delivering true returns to their investor. True returns means better than the average stock market, because I can put my money in an index fund. I don't need you as a separate company to put my money in. So real value for an investor means beating the stock market average. Those companies, every industry where you have the data, it's the net promoter leader. It seems like the only sustainable, profitable growth model is this one that I learned from Andy Taylor at Enterprise. It's treat your customers so they come back for more and bring their friends. Create promoters is another way of saying that. And the companies with the best promoter generation are the ones who are growing faster and making their investors rich. After you've seen a dozen or 20 of those, you start to say, Fred's got something here. Just put yourself in the customer's shoes. What would make you want to come back for more and tell your friends? And people understand that. Well, I'd be treated kindly, thoughtfully. I could trust the person to never act against my best interests. And I think most people, when they step back and think about it, they understand this is what drives any successful organization, whether it's a business or a hospital or you name it.